What if time is simply the measure of distance between 2 points? These points could represent anything: the distance between 2 cities, or between the year 2025, or your age from 1 to 20. For example, traveling from point A to point B while point A is the past, and point B is the present. Similarly, in the case of aging or the evolution of the universe. But this raises a question. Is time a fundamental reality, or is it just a way to experience the events happening between points? In one sense, time could be seen as a tool, a way to measure progression, just like using distance to measure the space between 2 cities. But in physics, time is more than a human concept. It's a fundamental part of how the universe works. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is tied to space itself, forming what we call space-time. This space-time isn't constant. It bends, stretches, and warps depending on gravity and velocity. For example, time slows near massive objects like black holes because space stretches. This phenomenon is called time dilation. Isn't it because the distance of stretched space is greater, making time appear slower? Would time dilation affect how we experience aging? Here's the twist. What if we could stop time altogether? Would that halt aging too? Aging, after all, isn't just the passage of time, it's the result of biological processes, cellular damage, and molecular changes. Even if time could stop, those processes would likely continue unless intervened with in other ways. Now, imagine this. 2 friends, both 20 years old. One stays on Earth, while the other travels in a spaceship moving near the speed of light. After 1 Earth year, the traveler returns. Wouldn't both friends now be 21? In space, the distance traveled by the Earth-bound friend is far less than that of the space traveler. Yet, the reunion was scheduled for precisely 1 Earth year. This reveals something profound. Time might not be an absolute reality, but rather an experience, a way we perceive the events between points.